Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fix Cant Select Database in WordPress. So let's get started. To solve this solution, we have only two methods which I'm going to show you over here. Right now, I'm going to get the help from Hostinger because I am hosting my domain with this platform. And if you have different platform like SiteGround or GoDaddy, it's the same process but with different names and with different positions of the options. So let's get started. As you can see over here, we are at my website and I have selected my domain. And on the left side of the menu, I have my PHP, my admin. Once you add your MySQL database, you can see that these are my databases, and sometimes you don't know what database you are going to choose from over here. So I do know which is this one, N5EM. So you can see that over here, and it's a very different tutorial. If you want to know how you can find your own database, just comment down below. So the first method is to select your database in WordPress. It's very easy. On the left side of the menu, you will find management and click on that. After that, you need to see that your database has been assigned to you or not. And if you haven't assigned to your database, obviously you cannot get access that, right? So you need to assign that from your hosting service first of all. And obviously I have assigned, that's why I'm not going to click on assign. But this is the first way you can do. And the second way you can do is to check your database name. How you can do that? Just click on phpMyAdmin again. Click on enter my admin or phpMyAdmin. Once you do that, you will end up over here. Click on public HTML and after that scroll down until you see wp config. Once you see that, click on write and click on edit. Here you will see that this is the database name, which is this one. Like I said, this is the one which I was going to use, and you can see that my database is correct over here. Sometimes it turned into red, and if it is turned into red, make sure to correct it. Make sure go back to that page and select or copy all of them, or in my opinion just go back and type it out. So that way it would be efficient in my opinion. So make sure not to give any spaces over here, otherwise it also count. And once you do that, at the top right corner just click on save, and I hope you will fix the issue with these two methods, because these are the two only methods which you can do for this. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.